Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, 9th September 2020, and you are welcome in class physics 9th level. We have already yesterday started unit 15, and today we are going to learn about reflection of sound. Sound can reflect like light. You may have seen the phenomena of reflection of light, that when light strike with highly polished surface, it reflects back in the same medium. Likewise, the sound, when it strike with a hard places like wall or any building or a cliff, it can also be reflected back. You can perform small activity with a PCV plastic pipe, stand in front of the wall. Two students must be there and two PCV pipes. One PCV pipe should be like here, that one student have to like this one, and other one also face the PCV pipe, plastic pipe on this direction. When one student speaks on one side and other, if you other one bring the ear toward the this and open end of PCV pipe, he can hear the clear sound. If one student speaks in one PCV pipe and according to this arrangement, other student can also hear the sound on the other open end of the pipe, so that you can perform it in classroom or your physics lab or at home, that to prove that it is sure that sound reflects like light. Now you may have here the process, the example of reflection, very common, that is echo. Do you know that what is echo? Echo is the phenomena of reflection of sound. When sound is incident on the surface of a medium like wall, it bounces back into the first medium, mean from air to again after striking back, it's again back to the air. This phenomena is called echo or the reflection of sound. Echo of sound is also called the repetition of sound, means same sound reflects back. But the question that how can we hear the echo and what are the conditions, in which condition echo produces? The first is this, that between the speaker and the hurdle there should be nothing there, no resistance for the sound, clear. The most important thing, that the sensation of sounds persists on our brain, or you can say that the effect of sound persists on our brain for a 0.1 second, mean tenth part of the second. And then if the sounds reflects back within this time, it's very short time, 0.1 second, the tenth part of the second. If the sound comes back within this time, the listener will hear the two sounds, two voices. One, that sound goes and strike, and the other one is the bounce, other one is the reflection of the sound. So if the sound strike and bounce back within 0.1 second, mean one way journey and then back. So it means if distance is 10 feet, so 20 feet total distance sound will cover within the 0.1 second. But you know that the speed of sound is 340 meter per second in air. This is the speed of a sound. And if we multiply this distance by the 0.1 second, you will see that total distance that is covered. Let's see that we want to see that how much distance Vt, this V, we know that 240 and time is 0.1. So the answer will come 34 meter. This is the total journey, two-way journey, and that one way we have to divide it by the 2 to find out the total journey. One way, that will be a divided by 2 and it will come 70 meter distance. So it means that the distance covered by the sound is 70 meter and the time, minimum time, that is 10th part of the 1 second or 0.1 second. So if the velocity or the speed of the sound in air at normal temperature, that is 440 meter per second, if sounds travel with this speed and multiplied by the time, with time that the sound persists for our brain, effect of the sound that remain for the 0.1 second. If we multiply velocity and the time, it comes 34 meter. This is the two-way journey. You can say that two-way, once the sound goes and again it's back to the listener or speaker. So in this way, the distance or the displacement that sound needed for the echo, that is 17 meter. So I think that you have understand that what is echo, repetition or the reflection of the sound, and how it produced, and how much time is needed, and how much distance is needed. I think that you may have understand. If not, please, if you have any question, you have my phone. You can ask me directly on my personal phone. Thank you and God bless you. Have a very nice day. Hopefully tomorrow we will see each other. God bless you.